I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have the RGB triplet. Now act. Convert each channel to a normalized float by dividing by 255, so R, G, B are in the 0 to 1 range. Once done, find the maximum of R, G, and B. That maximum determines the black key, K. You compute K as 1 minus that maximum because Cmy represent inverted light. This step reduces redundancy and sets the baseline for cyan, magenta, and yellow calculations that follow. Next, convert the normalized RGB into Cmy using the black key to avoid overprinting. If K equals 1, you have pure black and you set C, M, Y to 0. That's a special case. Otherwise, compute C as 1 minus R minus K, divided by 1 minus K. Repeat for M and Y with G and B. Make sure to clamp values between 0 and 1 because floating point math can produce tiny negatives or slightly above 1 values. This keeps colors printable and stable. Finally, scale each Cmyk component from the 0 to 1 range to percentages or the printer's required 0-100 scale and round to your tolerance. Once converted, soft-proof in your target profile or run a small test print to verify appearance because RGB can exceed Cmyk gamut. If colors look muddy or too dark, make sure black generation isn't excessive. Lowercase slightly or tweak profiles, then reclamp and retest. This quick troubleshooting usually resolves most conversion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.